New method to permanently delete your Facebook account in 2024. If you're ready to take a break from social media or just want to clean up your online presence, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account, enter your email and password, and then click login. Once you're logged in, click on your profile or three horizontal bars. Now scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Then click on settings. In the settings menu, look for the your Facebook account information. Scroll down, click on personal details, then on account ownership and control. Here you can find a deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. In which account you want to delete, tap on it. Now here you need to choose delete account and simply click on continue. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Facebook account. Remember, you have 30 days to change your mind, but after that, your account will be permanently deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.